everyone. Welcome back to our English Conversation podcast, where learning English is easy and fun. Today's topic is empty your mind. Before we start our story, let's look at some important keywords and phrases you will hear in the story.
Great. Let's go over these key ideas. Empty your mind. To let go of extra thoughts and stay calm. Calm your thoughts. To make your mind quiet. Present moment. To live and think in the now. Inner peace. Peace that comes from inside yourself. Mindfulness. Being aware and focused on what you're doing right now.
These words will help you understand the story better and also help you practice English for daily life. Now, let's start the story.
Today's story is about a young man named Marco. He was always thinking about his past and worrying about his future. Because of that, he couldn't sleep, he couldn't smile, and he didn't feel peaceful. His mind was always busy and restless.
One day, he heard about a wise old man who lived in the mountains. This old man was once a famous psychologist who helped people find peace. Marco decided to visit him, hoping to find peace too.
When Marco arrived, the old man listened carefully. Then he smiled and gave Marco a simple task. He filled a glass with water until it was completely full and said, "Walk through the village and come back, but don't spill even one drop."
Marco held the glass carefully and started walking. The road was full of noise, people talking, children laughing, dogs barking. But Marco didn't look at anything around him. He focused only on the glass of water. Step by step, he walked slowly and carefully.
When he returned, the old man asked, "Did you see the children playing or hear the dogs barking?" Marco said, "No, I didn't see or hear anything. I was only watching the water." The old man smiled and said, "That is the secret. When your mind stays in the present moment, there is no space for fear or worry."
That is such a powerful message. It teaches us that peace is not something we find outside. It's something we already have inside when we calm our thoughts and focus on now.
And this lesson is also perfect for learning English. Many learners worry too much. They think, what if I make a mistake? Or what if my accent is bad? But when you empty your mind and focus on what you're learning right now, your English becomes better naturally.
That's right. Learning English is not about being perfect. It's about being present. Just like Marco focused on his glass of water, you can focus on each English word, each sound, each moment.
Let's now learn some useful words and phrases from today's story.
The first word is restless. It means you can't stay calm or relaxed. Example: I feel restless when I have too many things on my mind.
The second phrase is in the present moment. It means focusing only on what's happening right now, not the past or future. Example: when I study English, I try to stay in the present moment.
The third word is peaceful. It means calm, quiet, and free from worry. Example: listening to English stories makes me feel peaceful.
Another useful phrase is focus on. It means to give all your attention to something. Example: when you learn English, focus on understanding, not on being perfect.
These words and ideas can help you not only understand the story, but also improve your English and your daily life. When your mind is quiet, you learn faster and speak more naturally.
So here's today's key learning. When you feel restless or afraid of making mistakes, take a deep breath and empty your mind. Focus on listening, speaking, and enjoying English.
Yes, Like Marco, you can find peace through focus and patience. Every time you practice, you are training your mind to be calm and strong.
Let's quickly review today's new words again. Restless, peaceful, focus on, present moment, empty your mind, and inner peace. Try to use these in your own sentences after listening.
And one short note for new English learners. Don't rush your learning. Speak slowly, listen carefully, and don't worry about mistakes. The more relaxed you are, the more confident you'll become.
Thank you for joining us today.
If you like this story and conversation, please like, share, and subscribe for more easy and inspiring English lessons.
See you next time. Until then, stay calm, stay peaceful, and keep learning English with a happy and clear mind.